How to fix Meta AI not showing on Facebook. Now recently, Facebook has released their newest feature called Meta AI, and if it's not showing for you, this is the right video. Basically, in order to attain or to get the newest feature of Facebook, you want to navigate through your App Store or Google Play Store because we want to make sure that we have the latest version of application installed to our device. You simply want to search for Facebook, and inside you can just go ahead and make sure that there are no update buttons available. If there is, you can just go ahead and click on it. Now, right after updating the application and still the Meta AI is not showing on Facebook, we are then going to force update our Facebook application. You want to navigate through your system settings, and from here you want to click on General. Inside General, you want to click on iPhone storage, and from here you want to look for Facebook. Inside Facebook, you can then go ahead and see this button called Offload App. Just go ahead and click on it, and from there it will then remove the application from our device. It will then go ahead and appear a new button called Reinstall App, and right after clicking on that button, it will then force update the Facebook application. Now, if still this doesn't fix the problem, this only means one thing. It means that the feature is not yet available on your country or region, so you have to wait for a couple more updates in order to enable the Meta AI. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.